Good day now home, I'm your host Will and Cloud. Welcome to Willmobile. Again, another video about Willmobile. Now what I'm gonna do this time, you're wondering a bit. Well, not everything lasts forever, and some things what you can fix sometimes won't fix forever, and you will need to replace them. No, I'm not talking about the car itself, fuck you. I'm talking about turn signals. For BMWs, it's a weak point. Let me show you what kind of weak point. It's happened again. I fixed this like a year ago. Condensation happens and you can see that the headlight itself is, here's a scratch. I don't know if you can see it. And it just looks bad. It just looks bad. See? This one is, so you can see it's scratches there, scratches here, scratches there. Everything is faded inside.
You will need two new turn signal lights, not the bulbs, but the lights themselves, and a Phillips plus screwdriver. You open the bonnet and you use the Phillips screwdriver on the side. You can see on the side there is an opening. If you use the plus screwdriver and turn it anti-clockwise, once the screw is open, you can just slide the blinker light out and turn the bulb. Like you're looking, you need to push it down, so to the left, to the bottom. And look at the difference between the old headlight and the new one. Now take off the protective plastic from the back where your bulb goes, so there is no dirt or nothing. Installing is the exact opposite way of removal. First, put your bulb back in, and it's exactly the opposite way. Now you push it in that the pigtail looks down, and you pull it to the right so it clicks up. Then you can slide in your new light. Tighten the screw, now clockwise, and voila, it's ready. It's not that hard, but the benefits of doing it and how the car looks like, it's just mwah, it's like a brand new car.
There you go, that's looking beautiful. No more crying eye. Now the headlights looks like yellow tinted. This looks clear and bright and nice and shiny, and these are tinted and scratched. I should get some new ones too, and this is pretty old and crusty too. That looks beautiful. See all those small things that make your car look so much better. Look at that. If you like this video, of course, smash that like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you once I have something new for the Willmobile. Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye!